Hi friends, today I'll show you 3 easiest stick bun hairstyles. These are perfect for those with thin hair, but if your hair is thicker than mine, I'll suggest you to use a thicker stick for that. So for our first hairstyle, we want to bring our hair back, making sure it's detangled. We want to use a stick and bring it under our ponytail, and then you want to twist it once, holding your ends. You want to twist it one more time, and then bring the stick through the hair from the scalp and through the bun, twisting it like that. Second bun, we want to gather our hair again, like into a low or middle ponytail. Make sure everything is nice and detangled. Now you want to twist upwards your ponytail like I'm showing, twisting it around the base several times, especially if your hair is longer than mine. Then grabbing a hair stick, you want to bring it through the bun and through the hair from the scalp. And then again you want to bring the hair from the top section of the bun down like I'm showing and bring the stick through it. This way you hold your bun in place. For the next one, you want to gather your hair again into a low middle ponytail and you want to twist it up. Make sure to bring your hair up like I'm showing from the twist to hide everything, and then you want to bring your ends into your created kind of French twist. Now grabbing your stick, you want to bring it through the bun, through the hair from the scalp, and then again through the bun, like that. Done! Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's stick buns hairstyles. If you like them, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. Tell me please in comments down below which one is your favorite. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!